Hello, and welcome to the Cereal Hour. Good morning, sleepyhead. How are you?
Tired?
Yes,
Yes, I think maybe some cereal will wake me up.
I would hope so. What are you eating this morning?
I'm having warm oatmeal with maple brown sugar. It's
The brown sugar is best.
it kind of looks like not very delicious things. But
How you call vomit?
yeah, maybe
But very more delicious than.
it's very sweet and it smells very warm and lovely, and so it's okay.
That is good.
It's cooked with water. Some people, I think, cook it with milk, but
That would make very thick.
Yeah.
I'm thinking.
I'm eating it in a brown and blue bowl. That's very pretty, I think. I don't know. And with a red spoon, but I thought I grabbed a purple spoon.
Those colors be changing on you.
I don't know, because this is larger, and I wanted a smaller one. And that's basically my oatmeal. What are you eating?
Well, this morning I'm eating how you say the honey O's. They come in the O shape with O. Yes. Anyway, it is made with honey, which is my favorite flavor. It can be used on anything. I eat in the nice bowl from IKEA. Very delicious and with nice classy wooden spoon. Very, very good. Very good.
I do like that spoon.
I am of thinking the spoon makes the honey nut O's taste better.
Maybe. So how do they taste?
They taste like honey, just the way I like.
Very nice. This tastes like brown sugar, so it looks like we're having some sugar this morning.
Very good. Well,
I'm also eating a banana. I haven't gotten there yet. It was my pillow a minute ago.
indeed, lots of potassium for your head.
That's good.
Well, I guess that concludes this session of the
A
Cereal
cereal
Hour.
hour.